Hello everyone, we Galaxy Girls are going to present our project to you. Our project name is Care for Other. It is related to road accidents. Now I am going to tell you how. Delays to death. How many received treatment on time? Could have saved the patient if arrived at time. Reported late about accident. Couldn't got in touch with the family, delayed treatment. This is the graph representing death rate due to accidents. Golden hour. Golden hour is the first hour after the trauma. If the proper and the timely first aid is given, road accident victims have a higher chance of survival. Can we provide the aid to the victim within golden hours? Yes. How? Over to you, Supraja.
Well, the answer to that yes is the feature that our apps provide you with. Our app provides you with an internal sensor that could provide an emergency notification to the contact you have set as a president. Also, it provides the emergency contact that you have set with a loud alarm in order to catch their attention and provide you with immediate help. Our app immediately sends your location to your emergency contact so that you can be helped within the golden hour. Our app also has a professional and sophisticated algorithm which could differentiate between when you actually meet with an accident and when you merely drop your phone or just brake hard. It provides you with a list of nearby hospitals where you can get immediate medical aid. And our app is really useful to frequent travelers because it switches itself on as soon as you start traveling and keeps you safe throughout the journey. These are the snippets of the code of the app that we have made, passing it on to Unnati.
So, I will be telling you the features that are being used in this app. That is first one is logistic regression. Second one is random forest. Third one is decision trees. Fourth one is TensorFlow, and TensorFlow we have used for the app integration with the app, and I have used Keras for integrating the ML model to the app, and these were the features that we have used. We have used GeoPandas for the GPS or the location as a location tracer, and we are working on the hospital integrating. So these are the logistic regression that we have imported. These are the snippet of that, and the accuracy of that algorithm is the 0.9988, and this is the accuracy showing here of the random forest. This is the data set that we have used, and we have collected this data set using the Kaggle.com, which is very famous. Over to you, Kanika.
So, frequently asked questions. How can this app save lives? Our app within seconds will notify you about an accident, allowing you to quickly call emergencies, highly increasing chances of survival. How does it detect car accidents? Nowadays, smartphones comes with a sensor that can measure acceleration, which is accelerometer. The sensor is used to rotate screen. Does it work without GPS signal? No. GPS signal is fundamental for our car crash detection algorithm. Please don't deactivate it. Do my emergency contacts need care for the installed? For Android users, it's not mandatory, but it's highly recommended. Will it trigger a false alarm if I break or drop my phone? No. When you drop your phone, it will suffer accelerations around 2 to 3 times the gravity. Same with braking hard. When you have a car accident, your phone will suffer accelerations of hundreds of times the gravity. Even if you drop it from a high building, our algorithm cross-check with the GPS data to avoid false alarms. Thank you.